In this video, I'll show you how to create Telegram channel. It's gonna be a step-by-step tutorial, so ensure you watch through what I'm gonna do right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram. This is our Telegram right now. I'm gonna show you how you can create a channel, right? So once you're on Telegram, you're gonna click on this bell icon. Once I've clicked on it, you see the new channel. Click on new channel. I can come on here and name this channel. Let's say make money, right? Make money, right? Once I'm done, I'm gonna click on this, right? So I'll select anyone I want to select, right? I can add up a big girl. Click on this. So this is the make money channel, right? So I just created my Telegram channel right now, and you can go around to edit it, right? Add profile picture, add everything you want to add up. If you found it today helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.